Alright, so this is my 2022 Yamaha R7. I don't have much done to it, but I mean, I got the main things out of the way that make a huge difference is the fender eliminator, get rid of the ugly stock fender, and also got rid of the stock taillight as well, just to clean it up. Since it's an all black one, you know, I wanted to try to keep the theme like just as black as possible, you know. Maybe in the future get some more like black stuff like those woodcraft foot pegs, get rid of these silver ones. And I got these TST flush mount turn signals. But then today this just came in, the Puig windscreen, dark smoke. So you know, still got some visibility, but it makes it look cleaner from the outside instead of that clear shit. But yeah, I really like the way that looks. It looks insanely better. Trust me, that's not a leak or anything. I just poured some water on my phone because my phone got really hot. It's already hot again. Holy shit, dude. This Texas weather, man, I'm telling you. Only other plans I really have for it is to get an exhaust. I'm thinking about going with the Yoshi exhaust. Yeah, so far this bike's really dope. Right now I'm at one of these places. It's a parking garage in Sugar Land, Texas. It's pretty dope. No, they don't give a fuck that you're up here. I don't even know if they check. Like, I don't know if there's cameras up here or not. I don't see any. But yeah, it's a really good spot for taking pics. I mean, if I come out here, I take pics of the sunset over there. But right now it's like, oh fuck, that's bright. It's like the middle of the day. I'm just getting towards the end of the day. But it starts to set back there. Right now, it does get behind that building, which sucks. But I mean, it still creates a nice scenery in the sky. I'll throw some pics up of like some I got out here. Then also with the city lights too. Like, that ends up looking dope at night. I want to go try it. I wonder if I can get on top of that parking garage. I know last time I tried to get on the one on the right, I could not get up there. Like, it was closed off. I'm gonna run by there on my way back home, see if I could get up there or something like that. Yeah, I'm not really gonna take any pics up here right now. I don't think it's really necessary. Nothing crazy going on right now. Nothing crazy in the sky. And I have plenty of pics already up here. So we'll get headed out of here. I'll go try out one of those two parking garages. I'll try the one on the left first, because I haven't been up in that one yet. So we'll see if, I mean, they look literally exactly the same, but maybe they're just controlled by different people. Who knows? I'll give them a shot though. See what the vantage point looks like. I think it'll be a lot better though, honestly, because that building and those buildings over there shouldn't be in the way. So yeah, we'll head over there and see what it's like. See, the main spots I go is this parking garage, and then like I'll go to Houston. I haven't been to Houston during the sunset or sunrise. That'd be dope. 100%, that'd be dope. But usually I just go in the middle of the day, just because, like, I mean, there's buildings that make up for the lack of the sunrise or sunset, you know? It's like, it's not even a big deal. But I mean, it'd really be dope if I did go during like a sunrise or sunset. I know that for sure. Taking quite a few pics over there in Houston. Not too many though. I've only been there like, I think twice with my camera, or once without my camera. The once without my camera with my phone actually did not turn out that bad, which is really surprising because my phone camera sucks. And then I have a tripod either. I was literally just like setting it on my backpack, put in the 10-second timer, and I'd sprint to my bike, and oh, it was, yeah, never again. No, that's what I used to do with my, oh no, I didn't really take any like self pictures from a distance, like with my new camera. But I mean now, like with that camera, I could use my phone to take pictures, like a remote and everything. Like, it's just way better with the camera, dude. Big ass motherfucking house. I ought to get off and go try to climb in it. Oh, this would be funny, imagine. But yeah, if you want to see all the pics I take, or all the ones that I mainly like, y'all can go follow my Instagram. It's at Mace. It's like UHMACE. Yeah, I'm posting on there pretty often. I try to keep them spread out a little bit, but I just take pictures so fast, and it's just like, oh, I really like them. I'm like, oh, I want other people to see these. And so I end up just posting them like back to back to back. But I take a lot of pictures, so it makes up for it. But yeah, for sure, go drop a follow and like some of my pics, you know. Where is this parking garage at? There it is right there. Ooh, oh my god. Oh, that was clean. I really like that bike. That thing sounds sick. If it's RS before. Ooh. I'd love to have one of those bikes. That's definitely on my to-do dream bike list. You know what I mean? After this bike, I'd like to get a 600 or something. Something a little faster. Something with that 4-cylinder sound. I love that 4-cylinder sound. I can't get enough of that. Luckily, this is a crossplane, so it's only a 2-cylinder, but I mean, it's a crossplane, so it sounds a little better than a regular 2-cylinder. Like my old bike, it was a Ninja 250, and it was a 2-cylinder. That thing sounded like a fucking 4-wheeler, dude. That ass. That was terrible. Dude, no way. I'm literally about to just go through there, dude. Nobody's gonna stop me. I literally can't fit through that, but I mean, they don't want nobody out there. You know, I like to obey the rules, you know. So, no, I think we're gonna head on out. If they want to be lame, then they can be lame. Yeah, well, I guess there's only one parking garage to go to, man. That's so lame, dude. It's so fucking lame. Well, I'm also getting like my Instagram tag. Like, I got like a little sticker and put it like on my windscreen right there. You know, just in case I'm in traffic right now and somebody next to me wants to, oh, that's no bike. But hey, follow the gram, bro. You know what I mean? Bro, dead ass. Bullshit. There we go. Oh, it feels so good to be moving, dude. And I'm stopped again. Is that rain? I wanna ride through that, bro. It's fucking hot. I might get to it. What the hell, actually? I really want to ride this rain, dude. It feels so good, honestly. It might hurt, but it's gonna feel good at the same time. Well, I want to feel the rain, bro. It's so hot. We need rain, dude. It hasn't rained in fucking weeks, months. Oh, I smell it. Oh, I think I already went past this spot. My helmet died. No, my helmet fucking died. That's literally the worst thing ever. That's the rain. Oh, it actually feels really fucking good. Why does it feel so refreshing? What the fuck? Why does it feel so good, dude? Oh my god. Oh, it actually feels so good. I wish it was raining more. This is a little shower too. We need like a fucking storm, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Oh my god, it was pouring its ass off over here. Holy shit. That's good though. We fucking needed it, even though we barely got anything. We needed it. It's better than nothing. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I'm almost home, so I hope y'all enjoyed. If y'all did, make sure to subscribe, drop a like. You know, maybe I'll keep doing this. I don't know. You know, just testing the waters right now, honestly. But yeah, also don't forget to go follow my Instagram. You know, that's where I post all my pics. I'm way more active on there than literally anything. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed. Stay tuned. Let me know what kind of content y'all like to see, and you know, maybe I'll make it happen. You know, let me know what y'all think I should do to the bike. You know, just give me your opinions, just anything, you know. All right, well, appreciate y'all. I'll see y'all later. Peace.